everyone, it's Quaniyyah. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all another look, doing like a glowy bronze type of glam. What I basically did is I used brow freeze gel. What I would use to begin doing my brows is my Anesthesia brow pencil. Outlining the brows, that's what I do when I'm doing my brows. Upward, don't want to make it look too thick. When I get down this way, I kind of darken it, but when I get to the front, I don't darken it as much. I don't, because you want to have like a natural brow too, but when you get to the tail of the brow,
in and out, in and out, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, I don't know why you love me.
What I'm doing now is take my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 6, and then take my Morphe M224 brush to begin concealing my brows.
That I can have this, baby. Nobody else, true. Nobody.
Then I'm gonna drag it down on my eyelid, because I normally conceal my eyelids when I'm concealing my brows. This is just something real quick and simple. Then I'll do the same for the top of my eyebrows. I normally don't do my eyebrows this thin. I think it gives more like a natural look to it. To blend them out, I'll be taking my AOA Studio high definition brush in the number E104 padded. The brush is still like wet from when I washed them, but that's what you have to like. It shouldn't matter. Now what I'm gonna do is take my foundation from Born This Way, which is in the color Sable. Basically, I never like use this foundation because I felt like it was gonna be like too light. Like it might be too dark, so I'm gonna just test it out on my face right now, and it looks like to me. It looks like it's too dark to be my face. I'm not using this foundation. I'm gonna just take my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation in the number D70, so I'm gonna just compare these two. To me, I feel like this is too dark for my complexion. That's why I just like, I don't know. In a way, it is too dark. I could have just took both colors and just blended both. I had to recharge my battery. We don't got time to be doing that, so I'm gonna just keep going and do what I do. I mix the 2 tones of foundations together, and I'm gonna begin to finish blending it out. Just do this side, and my battery's on 2 bars. I don't know what's going on with this damn camera. I kind of let it sit for like 20 minutes every charge, so, but that's why I have the other battery on the charger now, just in case this one tries to hurry up and die on me. I don't have time for that. What I'm gonna do now is take my 2 concealers. First, I'm gonna start with e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the tone Deep Olive, and then with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the tone Warm Caramel. I had to switch out my camera because my camera died. I don't know what's wrong with the battery. I'm not using this microphone anymore. Left off with using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. So now I'm gonna take is my e.l.f. concealer in the colors Dark Ebony. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend out the nose first.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she type.
Now what I'm doing for the eyes, I'm gonna like take a little brownish color. I'm gonna go with Cafe, like the Nude Persuasion palette by Bold Beauty.
Shit, it's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little shimmer tone. This is the color Cinnamon. And it looks like this. I don't know if I can see it, but I'm gonna take some with my finger and put it on my eyelid.
What you wanna be, who you wanna be.
Later take the brush and again just smear it with the brush.
Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face. Send a
So what I'm gonna do is take a little black and mix the brown with it to give it like a fade on the outer part of my eye, and then like over to give it that dark featured look. In between the crease to give it like that fold. You can see the folded, you know. So now what I'm gonna go in with is my Sasha, I don't even know if I'm saying it Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and begin to set automatically. Just set my face with the powder. What I'm gonna do is take some of this brown eyeliner. I got these off of Amazon. So your handy, whatever. I don't know. But is this all over here? I'm put everything in the description below. So far I put on mascara and then I apply these lashes. You can get from Amazon, and it doesn't matter which kind you get. They are all kind of like the same, but not necessarily. But these, I picked these out. I have like a bulk of these. The little pack like packs. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my Maybelline In Your Fit Me blush.
I'm too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a test.
So now these are gonna take my Fenty Beauty gloss and Fenty Glow.
Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded.
Finally, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist.
Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him.
That is it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, post notifications on, and I'll see y'all in my next video.